Give some line segment AB whose length you don't know. Construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice as that of AB. Now let me give you the brief idea of this. All of you look here. I am going to first start with the line AB. Okay? I am just giving you the key concept. First of all, understand. So this is AB, and after that I am going to draw a long line L. On this line L, I am going to construct PQ such that PQ is twice of AB. देखो बेटा, PQ is twice of AB means PQ is 2 times of AB. Is this point clear to everyone? What is to us the
Yes,
condition?
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
what I will do, I will measure this AB. Listen to the key concept. I will measure AB 2 times with the compass. So एक बार हम AB को measure करेंगे, then I will get point P. Then again I will put the needle on the second point. ये जो मेरा second point है, I will place the needle again. Then I will get my third point, which is point Q. Okay, this is the key concept. Now let us observe how to do it. All of you quickly draw any line AB of measurement, say 4 centimeter or 3 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, whichever is comfortable to you. So let us say I have drawn a line segment of 3 centimeter. Okay? Now after that you will draw a line L. So I am making a line L, and on this line L, I am going to make a section PQ. We are going to obtain PQ such that PQ is double of or twice of AB. Okay. Up to this point, it is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, now coming to the main part. Now look at the important part of this question. I am bringing the compass. I am going to measure the line with the this compass. Okay. So without ruler, without the scale, I am measuring it. Now place this compass on this line L. As I told you earlier, I will first get point P. Okay? So here I am going to mark. Just a minute. I have to move this compass a little bit so that I can use pencil. So this is point P. This is another point. Okay, I have not obtained my uh, point Q. For obtaining point Q, now closely observe it. Okay, so you got your first 2 points in which you will label first point as P. Now place the compass needle on point M. Okay, so here, yes, let me just place it. Yes, so this needle is on M. This needle is on M and pencil is here. Yes. Just a minute. Let me just make it. I hope this is clear to you now that the third point, this one, when you will keep the compass second time, then you are going to get your point Q. So Q point will be this one. So now I got PQ, which is double of. Okay, below the line you should write down PQ as twice of AB and put a sign of line segment also. This PQ is a line which is twice of AB. Is the construction clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
done. Very good. Okay, good. So
I'm done.
now
Done.
we are better, even if the step is left, just watch the video. Okay. So now we are moving to answer 10. So question 10, I am explaining you now. Take a line segment PQ of length 10 centimeter. From PQ, cut off PA of length 4.3 centimeter. then BQ of length 2.5 centimeter, and measure the segment AB. Now look at the key points. What exactly we have to do? All of you look at the rough diagram. I am making the rough diagram. PQ is 10 centimeter. From this PQ, what you have to do? From this PQ, you cut off PA. So you will keep the needle at point P. Then you will make an arc at 4.3 centimeter. So wherever you will cut, you will mark it as point A. So this is 4.3. Okay. Now you will keep the needle at P. Okay. Next we will keep the needle at P, and we will cut, we will open the compass and we are going to cut at a distance of 2.5 centimeter. Then this portion which is left in between, that is AB, this you have to measure using scale. Okay. Now all of you get ready with your line. Draw a line segment of 10 centimeter. Sorry, line segment. Draw a line segment PQ of 10 centimeter. Okay.
Excuse
Now,
me, ma'am.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have not understood this question.
Beta, you have to first draw PQ of 10 centimeter. Then two portions has to be taken out. Two portions are going to be cut out using compass. Now observe how I am doing it. You will take a scale, okay, Astha. Now on the scale, you will place the compass such that you are measuring 4.3. Now this 4.3 will help us in, cutting the line and get point A. Asta, up to this point, is this clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, everyone should open the compass. Open the compass for 4.3, centimeter radius. Now, cut the arc. Now, you can see all of you, I have cut the arc. Okay. This is going to give me point A. So, this PA, as per our compass or in the question given, it is 4.3 centimeter. Asta, this step is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now for the next step.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, from compass we have to take 4.3 at the scale measure. Then we have to make up, ma'am, like this sign that you have make.
Yes, arc. You have to cut the PQ. You have to
Okay,
cut the
ma'am.
PQ to get A point. Now, all of you, you can see that I am opening the compass till 2.5 centimeter. Okay, I have opened the compass of for 2.5 centimeter. Now I will place the needle at Q. Okay, next thing is to place the needle at Q. So I am doing it. I am taking it. Yes. See, my this compass got shifted, but all of you should do it carefully. Now I am cutting this PQ. Okay. Not in this way. Yes, all of you will make a small cut. Okay, this is a longer cut. Just a minute. Let me, yes. Yes, now this one I made a small cut to get my point B. All of you understood? Now, for the second segment,
Ma'am?
for 2 point, just a minute. For 2.5 centimeter cut, I have placed the needle at Q. ठीक है, पहले हमने needle कहाँ रखी थी? Point P पे रखी थी. Now we place the needle at Q. We cut the line. Now with the help of scale, all of you measure AB and tell me the measurement quickly. Yes, beta. Yes, who was asking doubt in between?
No, ma'am, I have cleared the doubt.
Okay.
3.3.
Ma'am, the point, ma'am, AB is, ma'am, 3.5 centimeter.
AB is 3.5. Now let us see from the calculation. From the 10 centimeter, we actually subtracted these two portions, 4.3 and 2.5. So in total, we have subtracted 6.8. Are you getting this point? 10 में से हमने 6.8
Yes, ma'am.
minus किया है. So we should
3.2.
be we should
3.2
be
centimeter.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
3.2.
3.2.
Yes, AB should be 3.2 and label it here 3.2. Those who are not getting 3.2 centimeter must try to, again draw this diagram. Okay,
Ma'am, my correct answer, Harshit.
very
Ma'am,
good,
I also.
3.2.
very good,
Ma'am,
very
I
good.
also.
Those who are getting
Yes,
this
ma'am, I
answer.
also.
Okay, okay. Now wait. Now let us move on to question number 11. In the end, I am going to see the. I am going to see your solution. Okay. Now question number 11. Let us read it. Given two line segment AB and CD of length 7.5 centimeters, 4.6 centimeter. Construct the line segment. Now A part PQ of length equal to the sum of length AB and CD. Now children, I am giving you the concept line for this. I am not going to do the construction. All of you listen to me carefully. So in this question, you will do it as a homework. You will draw a line AB. This AB is of 7.5 centimeter. Then you will draw a line using the scale. ठीक है, scale से ही आपको draw करना है. You will draw a line CD. So here I am making line CD and its measurement is 4.6 centimeter. Okay. Now you will construct a long line. ठीक है, हमें एक line construct करनी है on which your this AB and CD both needs to be combined. हमें दोनों को add करना है. PQ is the length. So first you will compass, you will keep the compass. ठीक है, you will just a minute. So you will take the compass and measure it using this. ठीक है, compass. So आपने AB को measure किया पहले. Listen to this point. First step, measure AB. Then bring the compass here. Make a cut. Okay. So you are going to cut the line and this way you will get point P. So here I am marking point. Just a minute. Here I am marking point P. Now you will take the compass to BC. Okay. I am taking the compass to CD. Sorry, not BC. You are going to measure CD with the compass. फर्स्ट लाइन को भी आपको कंपास से मेजर करना है, सेकंड लाइन को भी कंपास से मेजर करना है. बट जब सेकंड लाइन को मेजर करोगे तो आपको जो कट आपने पहले लाइन पे ड्रॉ किया है वहां पे निडल प्लेस करोगे. So you are placing
Ma'am,
your
this
needle
line
here.
segment you have to make of.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
I
this
have,
line, big one line segment we have to make of how many centimeters?
beta, this is this should be longer. Anyone like 11 or 12
Okay, ma'am.
centimeter. ठीक है? It should be longer than these two segments. So this
And
is
we
how
have to
you
draw
ma'am.
this line of 12 centimeter.
Yes beta, bigger होनी चाहिए, more than the sum of 7.5 and 4.6, around 15
me, ma'am.
centimeter. 15 centimeter. So what exactly we are doing? We are making PQ with the help of compass only. And remember in the exam we actually check this arc कि आपने arc से cut किया है या नहीं किया है. So ये जो point M और point Q होने चाहिए ये आपके arc से आएंगे. And total length of the PQ should be 7.5 plus 4.6. What will be the total here? 7.5 and 4.6, it will be 12.1. So आपका measurement,
12.1.
हाँ, end में you should write down PQ with a bar because it is a line segment. So 12.1 का आप construction करोगे. Now next one is XY. Second part देखो बेटा, XY of length equal to difference of the length AB and CD. We have to cut AB. Now understand the B part. So this was A part. Now I am explaining you the B part. For the B part, you have to construct XY, ठीक है, line XY such that it is the difference of AB minus CD. This is what asked in the question. So सबसे पहले आप फिर से AB line बनाओगे, ठीक है. या नो नीड टू ड्रॉ अगेन, जो आपने इनिशियली बनाया था ना ए बी एंड सी डी, you have to use them for this question. I am giving you just the rough idea for this question. So again you will draw a long line somewhere around 6 centimeter 7 centimeter line you should draw. और जब line बनाओगे तो arrows होने चाहिए, ठीक है? When I am writing line L, arrows should be there. Now with the help of compass you will measure AB. AB is somewhere around 7.5, ठीक है? Then you will bring the AB to this line and you will cut the line, ठीक है? So this is your, here you will get X and your point X. Let me write down here. So here it will
Excuse
be
me,
X.
ma'am.
Just a minute, beta. This will be X and the next point will XM. Now I have to minus, ठीक है? मुझे minus करना है, which is 4.6. So what I am going to do, I will measure, I will take this compass and I will measure 4.6. जो आपने CD draw की है ना starting में, आप उसको measure करोगे, then bring the needle again on X and cut this line. Then you will get your point X, ठीक है? So I am cutting this line. Don't make such big arc. आपकी arc smaller होनी चाहिए. जहां आप cut करोगे, this portion will be XY. Are you getting this construction? Able to
Ma'am,
understand?
this last point I have not understood.
Okay, I am explaining this again. Harshit, what was your doubt?
Ma'am, my doubt was that, ma'am, this ma'am line, ma'am, AB and ma'am, CD, ma'am, are of which centimeter?
Beta, read in the question. It is given 7.5 and 4.6.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so Harshit, first we will make XM line segment बनाएंगे, ठीक है? Now Asta, you will measure CD. आप compass से CD को measure करोगे, which is around 4.6 centimeter. Now you will bring the needle of the compass at X, okay? And then you will cut the
Okay, ma'am.
line, and this will give you point Y. Are you getting
Okay,
this
ma'am.
one?
Okay.
Okay, this is your
Yes,
point
ma'am.
Y. And do mention in the question what is the measurement of XY. It should be ideally, as per the question, it should come out by 4.5 minus, 7.5 minus 4.6, which is around, this is 6 and 4, 2.9 centimeter. ठीक है? When you will do it at home, do this verification also you should do. In the question also it is given verify the length, so you will verify using this method. I hope the question construction is clear to everyone. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
okay, now we are moving
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
We are moving on to next exercise, that is exercise 13.2.
You were saying that you will check our registers after
Beta,
this
only
exercise.
last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes I will do. Otherwise, recording will break. Okay? And it will be difficult for you to follow the lesson.
Exercise 13.2.
Yes, beta. 13.2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now in this exercise, we are going to draw a perpendicular or perpendicular bisector. Now, first of all, let us understand what is meant by perpendicular. Okay. Now, for example, this is a line. Okay. Any line segment AB is there. And on this line, if you draw another line which is at 90°, now you will say, ma'am, it is very easy to draw a 90° angle on this line. Yes, all of you were doing it using the protractor. आप D की help से कर रहे थे. But today we are going to do this 90° angle with the help of ruler and compass. Means स्केल और कंपास से आपको बनाना है ये एंगल, ठीक है? नाउ आई एम गिविंग starting with answer 1. Okay, so answer 1 as per, bit of disturbance is coming in the video. So answer 1, let us understand. Draw a line PQ of 5.6 centimeter, then draw a perpendicular to it. ठीक है, perpendicular का मतलब होता है कि line which is 90 degree. ठीक है, to it from a point A which is outside PQ using ruler and compass. I am giving you a rough diagram and then we will make the fair one. All of you observe the rough diagram. So in the question it is given PQ which is of 5.6 centimeter. Okay, this PQ is of 5.6 centimeter. We will choose a point A outside PQ. Now this point A is outside PQ. You can take the point anywhere, but it is preferred. It is preferred to take the point above the line. आप below the line भी ले सकते हो, ठीक है? Now what you are going to do, by now you will keep your compass here. Let me show you how you are going to keep your compass. First look at the position. आपने point A पे लिया, ठीक है? Now you will open your compass. Just a minute, let me open this one. Let me first stretch this. Just a minute. Let me, you have to open this compass such that it is, let me first give you the rough idea. आपकी needle यहाँ पे होगी, ठीक है? Pencil will be here. Pencil will be such that it is above the PQ line, below the PQ line. Needle is here and pencil is here. Like अभी मेरी position जहाँ पे pencil की है. Then you are going to make a arc like this. Are you getting this point, class? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Now you got 2 points C and D. हमें क्या मिल गए? 2 points मिल गए C and D. Now you will open your compass. फिर आप C पे अपनी needle रखोगे, इसको compass को रखोगे here, ठीक है? Which is more than half. ये जो CD segment है ना, इसको ध्यान से देखना है. आपने more than half इसको खोलना है and then you are going to make a arc here. ठीक है? I am not getting space here. And then you will keep it on point D also. पहले point C पे needle को रखना है, फिर point D पे needle को रखना है, and then you have to cut the previous arc. Let me show you. Here you will get a arc. ठीक है? आपको यहाँ पे ये 2 arc मिलेंगी cut होके. Then you are going to join them and this will be your perpendicular to PQ. I am taking this question very slowly because it is a new concept to you. Okay, so don't worry. अगर अभी आपको rough diagram नहीं समझ में आया है, corner में compass was not visible, so let us do it very carefully. Let us draw a line PQ of 5.6 centimeter. Okay. Now here I am making a line PQ of 5.6 centimeter. Now here it is point P. This is point P, this is point Q, and we will label it 5.6 later on. After this, take a point A outside PQ. ठीक है? Point A पे आप you are going to take a point A outside this. Now I am bringing the compass and placing it at point A. Now observe it carefully, all of you. Observe it. I have opened the compass in this way. Have you able to open it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I have taken the pencil. I have open the pencil. Now you are going to make a arc in this way. देखो बेटा, पेंसिल मैंने PQ लाइन के बॉटम पे आर्क बनाई है. I am making the arc again. Observe it. The needle is on A and pencil is below the PQ line. Now you are going to make a arc. Okay. something like this. Is this point clear? Beta, ye arc.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now label these points as point C and point D. Label them as point C and point D. यहां तक किसी बच्चे को डाउट है? यहां पे किसी को डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now
No, ma'am.
you will place the needle at C. ठीक है, अब हमें कहाँ रखना है needle? At C, and open the compass such that it is more than half of CD. Are you able to find out this gap? Is your compass is more than half of CD? Yes or no? Quickly tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now take your needle, in this way. Keep the needle at C, and now you will make a arc here. See how I am making the arc. I am making the arc below the previous one. This arc is clear to everyone? Yes or no? Quickly tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now I will place the needle at D. Now place the needle at D. Now you will cut this arc. I am cancelling this arc. Now you can see needle is at D and we are cancelling the previous arc. जो आपने पिछली arc लगाई थी ना, उसको cancel करो. Children, because I am not able to erase my arc, but remember your arc size should be this much. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये मेरे extra portions है, ये rub हो जाने चाहिए. So when you are, going to get this arc, remember, I'm just a minute. Why I'm not able to do this? Just a minute, beta. Let me just erase this one. Okay. So we were on this point. You have got this arc. Okay. आपकी arc ऐसी दिखनी चाहिए. With the compass, I was not able to show it. Now let me show you. आपकी जो another arc है वो it should be of this much, and then make a line like this.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my call was disconnected. I joined again.
Okay, beta.
Okay.
Beta, this is how your point should get. Point A is perpendicular, means through point A you are getting a perpendicular. या जो आपने arc cut की है ना, let us call this point as M. जहाँ पे आपकी arc cut हो रही है, point M और point A को आप join करो. So this will be your perpendicular. Have you understood the construction? Have you all understood the construction?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Are you able to obtain?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are moving to answer B. ठीक है? Beta, if in the first attempt it might happen that आपकी arcs cut नहीं हो रही है या bigger arc cut हो रही है, so make it slowly. It will take time, but you definitely are going to do it. Now let us come to question number 2. All of you come to question number 2 now. Question number 2. Beta, I'm getting noise. Garv, disturbance was there. Okay, answer 2. Now draw a line segment AB of 6.2 centimeter. This question is also similar to answer 1. Draw perpendicular to it at a point M on AB by using your ruler and compass. Let me give you the outline. The key concept says you have a line AB. Okay? You have a line AB which is 6.2 centimeter. You will draw a perpendicular to it at point M. हमें point M पे perpendicular बनाना है. ठीक है? So you will again choose any point outside AB. So let us start the construction. Draw a line AB of 6.2 centimeter. So say I have drawn a line AB of 6.2 centimeter. Now I will take a point O outside it. From at the point O, I am going to place the compass. All of you place the compass at point O. The needle should be at O. Now I am going to make the arc. ठीक है, जैसे हमने पहले आर्क बनाई थी, same way you have to make the arc. Let me draw the arc again. Just a minute. I am showing it again to you. Here, yes. So here it should be reaching to this much point, not that much beyond to this. Let me show you here again. बेटा ये आपकी आर्क ना कुछ ऐसे इतने लेवल तक बननी चाहिए, ठीक है, नॉट बियॉन्ड दैट. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन? Yes, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you now draw mark them as CD. Now place your compass. ठीक है, needle at C and open your compass more than half of C. CD. देखो बेटा CD measurement से more than half लेना है, exactly half भी नहीं लेना, more than half. Okay. Now you are going to make a arc here. ठीक है, the way I am doing it, I have made a arc here. Now I will place the needle at D without disturbing my compass. I have made the just a minute. Let me open it again. Okay, so this is more than half. बेटा आपकी कंपास जो है डिस्टर्ब नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now just a minute beta. Now when you get this point na, let me call this point as Q. So this Q and O, they should be in line with each other. ठीक है, ये यहाँ से एक आपका perpendicular pass करेगा. This perpendicular, wherever it is cutting AB, call that point as M. Is this point clear to everyone? Yes or no? Class, quickly tell me. Yes. Beta, because I am not doing with the approximation here, scale measurement और compass भी मेरा इसमें move होता है, ठीक है? So ये जो line मैंने draw की है, it is just for the rough approximation, but you should be able to get the figure which is given in the book also. You can see that page number 276, there is one figure given. Use the ruler and compass to draw the perpendicular. So accordingly,
yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आपकी फिगर बिल्कुल exactly वैसे दिखनी चाहिए, ठीक है? So now I am stopping the recording and you can show your registers to me.
Excuse me, ma'am.